Team Vibrations is here at the Doon School, and I feel very happy that we've grown so much in these 2 years. And we have, firstly, it was just me and Abhinav doing the entire bit of teaching. Now we have the students who have become instructors. We have 10 people who go with us, travel with us, go to a lot of schools. We've done St. George's, we've done Hopetown, we've done Scholars Home, we've done Mussoorie International, Shigali International, and now we are here at the Doon School. So it shows a lot of progress, and the students are building a lot of confidence and to teach people. And I'm very happy that, you know, we are growing so much, and soon there will be a time when we will create a professional dance company here in Dehradun. We are on our way to create that, and I hope in future definitely you will see a professional dance company coming from Dehradun very soon.
When Archit told our school dance captain told me that Harshit from Vibration was coming, I got excited, and this workshop for me was quite memorable, and the part which I will never forget was the technical warm-up that Harshit sir made us do.
I think it was a great workshop. I liked a lot of things about this workshop, but the thing that I liked the most about this workshop was that Harshit sir and his crew, Vibrations, they taught us how to identify ourselves as dancers and really bring out the dance that is within us. So that's what I feel about it.
It was pretty awesome, and this was a perfect weekend for me. Instead of sleeping around, I've been dancing my heart out. And yeah, I wish you guys all the luck. Keep dancing.
When I first heard that Harshit sir and the team were coming to teach us Bollywood and contemporary, I really didn't know what to expect. But when they came here, they taught us not only Bollywood and contemporary, though those are a few of the important things that they taught us. They taught us the theory of dancing, like how to dance, what to dance, when to dance. And I think that has developed us more as dancers and as people. And I think this workshop is going to affect my entire dancing career, you could say. So I like to thank you guys.
One word for workshop.
One word for workshop. It's hard to. It was great. It doesn't summarize in great. I really don't know what to say.
Thank you. I believe the kids have a lot of potential here. Everybody needs to get a little trained, and I'm sure they can do wonders here. We had an amazing time taking this workshop here. We learned a lot from the kids, and we did so much with them. And I believe we had a blast working with the kids here. And we would love to come next time whenever we come to Doon School. We would love to, take a workshop again for them. And basically, I felt the kids were so super talented that, every member from Vibrations who came here would love to train them and would love to work with them, and they would listen to you. They keep in mind the small points that we tell them to inculcate when they're dancing. They learned so much about the theory that we taught them, and I believe they're going to inculcate that entire thing in their dancing and become better dancers in the future.
Well, you done me and you bet I felt it. I tried to beat you, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks. Now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool done run out, I'll be giving it my bestest, and nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win some or learn some, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours.
Thank you so much, and I believe you all should keep dancing, keep learning, and keep teaching and keep inspiring people. Thank you so much, and most important, be very original. Be originally creative. Create yourself and then teach people. Alright, get inspired, get creative. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.